Hey guys, it's Jed here from Disrupt Tutoring, bringing you another maths question. Today we're looking at a bit of geometry, specifically looking at angles and line segments. So let's deal with the question together. We've got study the diagram below and answer the questions that follow. So if we look at the diagram, let's give a quick summary of what we see. We see we've got three triangles. We have this smaller triangle over there, which is A, D, and B. We've got a triangle over there, which is BDC, and then we've got this larger triangle of AB, and C. Now, what do we notice specifically about the triangles? We see that there is a right angle, which would make this triangle a right angle triangle, but it would also make that triangle a right angle triangle. Let's get into the question together. What kind of angle is angle C? Now notice the way they represent angle. They've put a little hat on top of the C, which means they're talking about an angle. And the angle they're talking about is that one over there. Now, what types of angles do we get? We get acute angles, which are smaller than 90 degrees. We get right angles, which are equal to 90 degrees. And then we get obtuse angles, which are bigger than 90 degrees. So if we draw our 90 degree, that would be our 90 degree, we can see that this is clearly smaller than the 90 degree angle, which would mean this angle at C is called an acute angle. Okay, acute and little acute. Right, moving on to the next one. What kind of angle is ABC? Now, watch how they've numbered or referred to that angle. They've called it A, B, and C, so we need to start at A, B, C. So that's our angle in the center there. What type of angle is it? If we draw in our little line again, we can see that this angle is actually bigger than a 90 degree. So that would mean this angle is an obtuse angle because it's bigger than 90 degrees. As a result, triangle ABC is called an obtuse angle triangle. Moving on to the next one, what kind of angle is BDC? So looking at the angle they're talking about, BDC, so it's this one over here. We've already spoken about that little square being there, which means it's 90 degrees. So that would mean this is a right angle. Very nice. The last one, name a pair of perpendicular line segments. So we are throwing in a very fancy word, perpendicular line segments. Perpendicular just means that two lines that join each other, if we look at it like this, two lines that join each other form a right angle. And we've already noticed that we've got a right angle over there. So the two lines that form that right angle, which would be BD and DC, those are perpendicular line segments. But remember, because we've also got a right angle on this side, we also have BD and AD. That could also be the right answer here, and the marker would give you the mark either way. So I'm going to give you both options. So the first option, we've got BD and AD, or BD and DC. So either way, you would get the marks for that question. And that's that, guys. Hopefully you have a better understanding of what types of angles are out there and how to answer these types of questions in your test. Before I go, I'd just like to make a quick shout out to our sponsor. Thank you so much. Without you, these videos would not be possible. If you'd like to see some more of these videos, guys, make sure you head over to our website. If you can't find the question or the answer to the question that's plaguing your nightmares, remember you can send it through to us and we will reply with a personalized video, and we will even give you a shout out in that video. Until we hear from you guys, stay epic.